Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel today. So today we are going to do a fun and colorful look inspired by my shirt. We're going to do the oranges and the blues and the yellows, and we're just going to have fun with it. Before we get started, I want to take the Anastasia Beauty Eye Primer, and we're just going to put that over our lid, and that's just going to prime our eyelid so that our makeup colors will pop. It just keeps the eyeshadow in place and then make them like really vibrant. Okay, so now we're going to take our tape, and I just have some regular old like tape you can get from the dollar store. Oh, I messed up that piece. And then we're going to place it so that it's parallel right here. Okay, and then we're going to do the other side as well. Okay, so now when we put our shadow on, it's going to create like this dramatic cat eye effect. Norvina collection, some really cool colors. This is the high pigmented eyeshadows. You can get these on Sephora.com. I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. It has these really pretty, like this blue that I want in there. Maybe this yellow, we'll see. And then lastly, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette because I want that blue right there. That one. Yes, I got to have it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. But to do that, let's go ahead and start off with this yellow right here. Okay. Okay, next we are going to use this orange right here. Going to put that underneath the yellow and just blend. Just blend it right into that yellow there. Okay, now we're going to take this darker orange right here and put this on the upper part of the lid. Okay, now we're going to take this darker orange right here and put this on the upper part of the lid. And you want to really pack this in there. Okay, so now we're going to take some of this concealer from Sephora. It's the matte pink beige color. And we are just going to cut our crease because we want a dramatic eye look. So we're going to put the blue on the lid, but I want like a real dramatic look. So I'm going to go ahead in here and just cut the crease a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to go in the Alyssa Edwards palette, and we are going to go in there and grab that blue called Dream It. And then we're going to have some fun with that. I'm going to start out here and just pat it in. Okay, and now for that blue that I want. I'm gonna go in there and grab that. All right, now I'm gonna go back into our Norvina palette and take this natural looking color right here. And then we're just going to just go underneath our brow line here. And I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, so now we are gonna go ahead and remove this tape. Okay. Now I want to add a little bit of color underneath the eye. So we're going to go ahead and let's see. I want to put some blue in here and some of that orange. So we're going to go back into our Alyssa Edwards palette and just add a little bit of blue underneath here. Okay. Now I want to do something really fun. So I'm going to take my concealer. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into the Alyssa Edwards palette. We're going to take this white. It's called Headliner. And we are going to try to use that in the corner of our eyes here. Okay. All right. And then we're going to put our eyeliner and mascara on. And for the eyeliner, I'm going to do the lower lid first. So doll face, and they have two ends. The one end is the liquid liner, and then the other end is just the pencil liner. It's called Black Cajal. And then we're just going. Okay, so now we're going to get our liquid liner. I love liquid liner. That's really the only liner I use for real. I've been using it since, you know, my late teens, early 20s. And I'm in my 40s now, so I've been using it for a very long time. So I'm going to show you. I just got this product yesterday in my BoxyCharm kit, and I love it. So let me show you. Here it is. Okay, so it's by House Laboratories, and it is the liquid eyeliner, matter than matte liquid eyeliner in Punk. So far, this is not disappointing me. This is like my favorite liquid liner so far. I just got it in this month's BoxyCharm, but I mean, I love it because it's a liquid liner, which is what I use anyway, but then it's like a pencil form, so you can have more control over it, which I recommend if you are not experienced using liquid liner. If you don't have a steady hand, it's really difficult to use liquid liner because if it messes up, then you have to wipe it off and just redo it. It's a mess. So I don't recommend liquid liner if you are just, you know, starting out doing makeup. Yeah, it's not good. But I love this so far. So we're just gonna start on the corner, inner corner. See how dramatic that liquid liner is? Pencil liner is pretty too, but the liquid just is darker. It just goes on so much better to me. It gives you a more dramatic look. Okay, so now that our eyeliner is on, we're gonna go ahead and finish with our mascara. I have the Fenty Beauty mascara, full frontal. Color is Cause I'm Black. And I like this because it has a two-sided brush. Like one side is really flat, and then one side is round. So you can catch every last little hair follicle, and then you can stretch them out and individualize them. So I really like it. Oh. Okay, so now that our eyeliner is on, we're gonna go ahead and finish with our mascara. I have the Fenty Beauty mascara, full frontal. Color is Cause I'm Black. And I like this because it has a two-sided brush. Like one side is really flat, and then one side is round. So you can catch every last little hair follicle, and then you can stretch them out and individualize them. So I really like it. Oh. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our lips. I just have a pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's like a little berry color. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips with this. Okay, and then we are going to take it's by Cookie Professional. It's a liquid, some type of liquid lipstick. The color is shadowy. I'm not sure where what store this came from. My daughter purchased this for me as a gift. So we're just gonna go ahead and line, or no, just fill our lips in. Okay, so then you want to go ahead and just kiss something to blot it off, or not really kiss, but just take like a piece of paper or something and blot the inside of your lip. Oh, I didn't have anything, so I just tore something off. Just to get that extra off. And then what I like to do, I like to take this matchstick from Fenty Beauty in color Rum. It's like a real pretty gold color. And I just like to put some on the center of my lips. And then sometimes I'll do the Cupid's, what is that called? Cupid's something. I gotta look that up. But I'll highlight that as well. Here. All right, so this is the finished look. Please comment below. Tell me how you like it, what I could have done better. Tell me what you like about it, what you don't like about it. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit that little bell notification reminder so that whenever I post videos, you'll get the notification and can come right to the page. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna try to start posting videos like once a week. So I'm back at work now, so I don't have a lot of time to do the videos like I did when I was fully quarantined. So I'm gonna try to do them once a week at least. So I will see you guys next weekend. Thank you again for watching my video. I hope that you guys are being safe and healthy, being cautious out there when you go in these stores and just navigating through the streets and whatnot. But I will see you next time, and please be safe. Have a good day.